Good day. This video would be about the RN4871's current consumption when it is put into low power mode. So for this the low power mode that will be discussed is the low power advertising, which could be reached by issuing the SO1 command. So discussing the setup first, we're using the pigtail. The jumpers connected are only for the UART and the LED indicator. The current measuring devices used is this Agilent ammeter. I'm also using this microcurrent from eBlog just to have the current to voltage conversion so that we could see the waveform here in the oscilloscope. So let us try to set the module to the low power mode. So the tera term is actually a little clipped, so there we go. SO1. The module should enter the low power advertising. Looking at the oscilloscope, these pulses are actually the advertisement. This is the module advertising, and this is the pulses of the current consumption. Then the wider ones are actually the LEDs. Right now, the current consumption is at mm, 60 microamps, 63 microamps, as you can see here. Then the module is advertising, so we could connect to it. If you've noticed, it didn't enter the fast advertisement mode when I issued the SO1, and that is because the module has been advertising for a while before the video started. So connecting through an app, and the current consumption spiked up again, SO0, just to have the UART communication back after I've disconnected the module, sending another SO1 command to make sure we're getting a consistent response. And here we go. This is the fast advertisement mode. This is documented at the uh, module's user guide. As expected, after 30 seconds, the fast advertisement mode would time out and the module would enter the slow advertisement mode. Let us give this some time, maybe a minute or two, and observe if the current consumption spikes up due to unknown reasons. A minute has passed since the SO1 has been issued, and we are not getting any erroneous current consumptions so far. So we're gonna wake up the module by connecting through the BLE. And as you can see, we're back. SO0. Let's try to issue an SF2. Let's factory reset the module and see if there's any difference. SO1. And then let's wait until the fast advertisement times out. It's been almost a minute now, and still we're observing the expected current consumption. So let's try another instance. Wake up the module via the BLE connection. SO1, issue the SF2, factory reset. It has reset properly. Oh, SO1. So I've been testing this for almost a week now, but to ensure that the SO1 actually takes effect, I suggest to issue a reboot, perhaps via the reset pin of the module, so that we can ensure that the SO1 command takes effect. So I'm gonna demonstrate this so that we can see that the module is still performing as expected. So as you can see here at the pigtail, I have connected a jumper for the reset pin. For I'll be sending the SO1 and then reboot the module after. Uh, there we go. The module has reboot. The SO1 is taking effect. Let us observe the current consumption. For the following minute, I'll do this sequence maybe twice or thrice so that we could ensure that the reboot actually puts the module into a known state after the SO1 has been issued. So repeating the sequence, connect SO0 SF2. This time I'll be rebooting the module through the reset button provided at the pigtail. This could go for a while, so and also to eliminate the possibility of the hardware being a factor here, I have prepared another pigtail. So let me just set this up and try this other pigtail. So we're set up. The, the other pigtail is actually at SO1 mode. So SO0, disconnect. SF2. This is really getting cluttered. Let's clear the buffer. SF2, issue the SO1. I'm gonna repeat the sequence done with the other pigtail, but this should be a shortcut because we're just replicating the setup earlier. So for now, issuing the SO1 with a reboot, sorry. So there we go. For the sake of this video, perhaps we should try to look into the dormant mode. Mm, So there, the current consumption dropped. Let's see if we can view all. Oh, that's the limit of our multimeter. So roughly around one microamp. So there we go. Thank you for watching, and those are the current consumption of the RN4871 regarding its low power modes. Thank you.